Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you will take a minute and subscribe to my channel below. So this video is divided into 4 parts. The first part of the video, I'll be talking about the Chloe Ting Shred Challenge in general. In the second part of the video, I'll talk about my results. In the third part of the video, I'll talk about the exercise that I did. And in the fourth part of the video, I'll be talking about the diet that I took. So Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge went viral. It was all over the internet. It was on YouTube, it was on Instagram, and I thought, I was procrastinating because I didn't think that it would actually work. 2 weeks you get abs. I could not relate at all, so I didn't even give it a try. But then I thought it was high time because everybody around me was doing it. I thought I should actually give it a shot, and I did. So disclaimer, this 2-week shred challenge might or might not work for your body type. It's definitely going to show you some results, but in 2 weeks it's not practically possible that you get shredded 4-pack 6-pack abs, right? It might work different on your body, it might work different on somebody else's body. 2 weeks might give some amazing results to some person. On the other hand, 2 weeks might be a little less for somebody else. It did perfectly fine for me, but I am saying that it might or might not work for you. Okay, so which brings me to my next point, that all body types are beautiful. Don't let anybody tell you that this certain body type is the most beautiful or this is what is acceptable. No, the point here is you should be fit, you should be healthy, no matter what size you are in. The only reason I'm making this video is because I am more comfortable in my skin than what I used to be before, and there are many people around me who genuinely want to lose weight, who want to lose fat. In no way I'm promoting people to be skinny or that healthy people aren't pretty. I was very healthy. I was very healthy. I was very healthy. So you are beautiful, girl. No matter what size you are, girl or boy, you are beautiful. It's just if you really want to work on your body, then I guess this is the right place where you've come. So here are my results. I started from 57.5 kgs and I ended at 55.5 kgs. So all in all, I lost 2 kgs. Actually, I did not expect it at all. I did not expect to lose weight at all. I thought I would lose inches, but I wasn't very sure of the weight, if I would actually lose weight or not. But I did, to my surprise. And as far as inches are concerned, I lost 3 inches around my waist, which is amazing because I thought I would lose an inch or 2, but 3 inches, when I actually measured my waist, I was completely shook. I lost 3 inches off my waist and I lost 2 kgs all in all. So the exercises that I did now, which brings us to the third part of the video. I will link the video in the description box below of the videos that I did of Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge. Apart from that, I used to work out twice a day, okay? In the morning, after I got up, our trainer used to come home, so we would, work out then. She would make us do abs or shoulder, anything which is not related at all. But in the evening, I would do those videos. Either I would do that one particular circuit twice, or I would do 2 different sets. 2 different routines, right? So I'll link the videos in the description box below if you don't follow what I'm saying right now. But the fact I mentioned this fact that I work out twice was because I don't think you will get those results if you work out a little less. I don't know. I worked out twice and I got this result, so I'm assuming that I worked extra hard those days, and that is why I got these results. I'm not sure, you'll have to work it out on your own, but as far as I did it, I worked out twice. Yes, I worked out twice. In the morning I would work out for 1 hour at least, 1 or 1.5 hours, and I would do treadmill, and then I would do weight training a little bit, and then I would do random exercises, whatever our trainer used to tell us, and in the evening I would do those exercises, right? And as far as the diet is concerned, I would take everything. In the first week I had rice also. In the second week I eliminated rice. I eliminated rice. In the first week, whatever was cooked in our home, in an Indian kitchen, I ate everything. I had chapatis, I had rice in the lunch, in the evening also, whenever I felt hungry. in the evening, actually, I used to skip my snacks because I was working out then, and as soon as I got done with the workout, I would have my dinner, right? So I used to get very late in the morning. So as soon as I got up around 11, training used to come by 12. So I know I shouldn't skip my breakfast, but that is how my routine went. So after I was done with the workout around 1:30ish, we would go and have lunch, proper lunch, I mean proper Indian lunch. Curd, dal, rice, chapati, vegetables, whatever was available. And in the evening, whenever I was hungry, I would have either black coffee or green tea or something of that sort, or maybe a rusk or two. That's it. And in the dinner, I would have 2 chapatis again. So that was my entire meal plan. But I also took two cheat meals while I was on this journey. I mean, one day I had pizza and the other day I had ice cream. Yeah, so that were the only 2 cheat meals that I took the entire 2 weeks. But yes, I ate everything moderately. So yes, that brings me to the end of this video. If you are planning to try this challenge, which I should actually tell you, you should, because it's amazing. You should actually give it a try, and if you happen to do, please send me your results on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle is here below, and lots of love to you. Goodbye.